Hello Hornet Nation, this screencast is for A-Day students. First things first, how do you know if you're an A-Day student? If you're coming to school when the hybrid schedule goes into full effect on Monday, March 1st, so you're actually physically going to come to school, and your last name starts with the letters A through K, then you're an A-Day student. When do A-Day students come to school? You'll come to school on Mondays and Wednesdays. You'll see all of your teachers on Mondays and Wednesdays, and then you'll be asynchronous all day on Tuesdays and Thursdays, just like your Fridays have been all year. We know when we're supposed to be coming to school now, but what happens if you can't come to school on a Monday or Wednesday? What happens if you miss school? So you definitely will want to talk to your teachers to find out the best way to get caught up and have an adult contact the school to get that absence excused just like a normal year. What do I do if I was originally scheduled as a virtual student? We understand that the choice to come to school your family made in the fall may no longer be the correct choice for you now. Everyone is coded as either an A-Day student, a B-Day student, or a virtual student in HACC based on that fall survey. And this designation is important for planning, contact tracing, and attendance, so we really want to be sure it's accurate. So if you need to make a change, please contact your counselor or administrator. What if I have questions? Check the Hornet Buzz first. The Hornet Buzz has a wealth of information. If you can't find the answer to your question there, then reach out to your teachers or counselors. We all want you to come back to school confident that you know what's going on, but it may be faster to find that answer yourself in the Hornet Buzz than to wait for somebody to see and reply to your email. To close out things, I want to remind you that this transition is also a new beginning of sorts. So if you haven't had a great school year so far, it's not too late to change that. Your routine's changing anyway, so take advantage of the opportunity to bust out of any bad habits that formed during quarantine and replace those with good ones. We're all looking forward to seeing you soon. Take care and protect the nest.